Good morning to everyone. Myself Geeta with my team member Pansy and Pratibha has came over here to explain about Newton's third law of motion. So the explanation part will be done by me. So let's start. Have you ever wondered why we move forward when we walking, or why, uh, or why we, uh, or why we swimming, or why we jumping in the ground? So there is a hidden rule of our nature. Yeah, there is the hidden rule of our nature. The hidden rule of our nature was called as Newton's third law of motion. It states that for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. When we walking in the ground, and when we swimming in the pond or a lake, or when we jump in the ground, there are some example of Newton's third law of motion. So now Pansy will explain about the model.
So the Newton third law states that for every reaction there is equal and opposite reaction, which means there is opposite and equal, in which the first object is for for every reaction there is equal and opposite reaction, which means when one object applies equal force on the first object, this is also known as action and reaction force. According this law, these forces are always equal in magnitude but opposite in direction. So here I have two examples through which you can understand it better. So we all getting launched in TV or mobile phones. So in case of rocket, when a rocket is get burnt, it produce hot gases. So when the hot gases goes downward with a higher force, which is the action, and the hot gases pushes the rocket upward with greater force, which is the reaction. In this, according to the Newton's third law, the higher the higher the gases goes up downwards, it pushes the rocket with great force. So through this the rocket get launched, you can see.
Wow. Yes. Very good.
But is the Newton's cradle. Wait.
Keep it here, man.
Okay.
Share otherwise.
So in Newton's cradle, when we lift a ball and release it, it hit the next ball, which is the action. Uh, this struck balls touches the other ball with equal and opposite force, which is the reaction. So the stationary balls in the between don't move much because it balances it out. So with this, it's keep on moving on the basis of Newton's third law. So here are some daily uses of Newton's third law, which will be done carried forward by Pratibha.
Good morning. Uh, Uses of Newton's third law of motion in daily life. So let's start. Examples are walking, running, and swimming, driving, and jumping. So walking and running. When we walk or run, uh, our foot push downward with uh, when we walk or run, our foot push backward. When walk or run, our foot backwards against the ground. The ground pushes push, pushing our foot upward that help us to uh, go forward. Next is swimming. A swimmer he, a swimmer moves its hand and feet to move forward. Uh, in this, the and feet are moving forward. That's cause to go.
Play for her. Very good. Thanks. Try. One second. Try. You can do it. Don't feel nervous. One second.
Jumping. jumping. When anyone jump on the ground uh, pressurize it, and the person who jump, he gone up.
Okay, thank you so much. The mic. Okay, wait. Okay, you have not prepared well, na? Hmm? Any question? Yes.
Okay, so a person experience more pain while he punch in the wall instead of pillow. Why?
Other question?
Big because of the greater mass, the wall has the greater mass. Maybe because of that, the wall has the greater mass. So
The one. Very good question. Your question? Yes, hello.
If an object moves with constant speed in a circle, is it accelerated? Is there a net force?
When an object is moving in a acceleration in a circular path, do you think it has any force? Huh? Does it have any net force?
yes.
How? Explain it.
Uh,
Okay, one play for them. You want to ask? Want to ask? Okay,
Can
very
two
good.